Hey friends, if cursor keeps spinning in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Search for mouse in the Windows search bar and go to mouse settings. Scroll down and click on additional mouse settings. Go to pointers. If the pointer is selected at this option or this option, it will always keep on spinning. So select it at normal select and then click on OK. Now, if this does not help and if you still see a spinning cursor and you have no reason for it, then search for system configuration in the Windows search bar. Go to system configuration, go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.